Imagine waking up in a stylish, eco-friendly modern cabin that costs less than your SUV. Today I'm revealing 11 stunning prefab cabins starting under $50,000 that will completely transform how you think about affordable housing. Have you ever scrolled through architectural magazines admiring those sleek modern cabins with floor-to-ceiling windows, thinking they must cost a fortune? Well, what if I told you that you could own one for less than the price of many luxury cars? The prefab housing industry has undergone a revolution in the past decade. These aren't your grandfather's cookie-cutter mobile homes. These are architectural marvels that combine sustainability, efficiency, and stunning design at prices that might shock you. Before I reveal these affordable gems, let me show you what happened when I visited one of these cabins last month. I was genuinely stunned by the quality. The owner, Richard, a retired engineer from Colorado, told me he paid significantly less than he expected, and that was with several upgrades. He spent decades saving for his dream retirement cabin, assuming he'd need at least six figures. When he discovered prefab options, everything changed. But don't just take my word for it. Let's dive into these 11 incredible, affordable prefab cabins that could transform your life without emptying your retirement fund. Number 1. Two Pines. If you're looking for the perfect blend of simplicity and sophistication, the Two Pines cabin delivers exceptional value. This 936 square foot marvel features 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms in a layout that maximizes every inch of space. The Two Pines stands out with its distinctive exterior, heat-treated Lunawood siding paired with striking overhangs and black windows, doors, and a sleek metal roof. The overall effect is clean, sophisticated, and surprisingly affordable. Step inside and you're greeted by soaring 10-foot cathedral ceilings throughout the entire home. The open concept design creates a natural flow between the kitchen, dining area, and living room, perfect for entertaining or simply enjoying the spaciousness that belies its modest footprint. What most people don't realize about the Two Pines is that despite its modern appearance, it's actually one of the most energy-efficient options on our list, with insulation values that exceed most building codes by 30%. Number 2. A-Frame Studio. The A-Frame Studio is a perfect blend of timeless design and modern living. This 400 square foot gem features 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and the iconic A-frame architecture that never goes out of style. What makes the A-Frame Studio special is its stunning glass wall that frames the front of the structure, flooding the interior with natural light and offering panoramic views of your surroundings. The exterior combines matte black corrugated metal with select tight knot cedar siding accents. Inside, you'll find luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout, with birch, plywood walls that are primed and painted to create a bright, airy atmosphere. The kitchen features custom birch cabinets with flat panel doors and integrated bevel edge handles. It's specifically designed for luxury short-term rentals. If you're looking for an investment property, this model has been shown to command nightly rates up to 3 times higher than standard cabins of similar size due to its distinctive design and Instagram-worthy aesthetics. Number 3. The Walden Stack. The Walden Stack is a versatile and spacious prefab modular home designed for those who value both style and sustainability. This 1,200 square foot beauty offers 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms spread across 2 stories. What makes the Walden Stack special is its floor-to-ceiling windows that create a seamless connection between indoor and outdoor living. The home features a striking mixture of stained and raw incense cedar siding, giving it a natural yet refined look that blends perfectly with any landscape. Inside, you'll find cathedral ceilings with painted nickel gap wall coverings that create an airy, open feeling. The kitchen features shaker-style painted cabinets with your choice of quartz or laminate countertops. What makes this unique is it's designed with 3 separate entry doors, 1 for each floor and bedroom, making it perfect for multi-generational living or creating rental income from a single structure. Number 4. The Tarn. The Tarn is a large, modern cabin with an open-concept floor plan that will surprise you with its affordability. This 1,560 square foot home offers 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a spacious loft area. What makes the Tarn special is its dramatic cathedral ceiling in the main living area that's open to the second floor loft, creating a sense of grandeur you wouldn't expect at this price point. The exterior features architectural shingle roofing with an option to upgrade to 30-year metal roofing. Inside, the walls and ceiling are finished in 3/4-inch tongue and groove knotty pine boards, giving the space warmth and character. The flooring is a maintenance-free vinyl plank that stands up to heavy use while maintaining its good looks. What makes this special is it includes a full 8-foot porch spanning the entire front of the house, creating the perfect spot for morning coffee or evening conversations under the stars. Number 5. Luna Park Model. The Luna Park Model is a luxurious modern park model home that offers exceptional value. This 396 square foot marvel offers 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom in a layout that feels twice as spacious. What makes the Luna special is its collaboration between New Frontier Design and Zook Cabins, bringing together the best of architectural innovation and quality craftsmanship. The exterior features black textured metal siding with cedar accents and a matching black textured metal roof. Step inside to discover white painted shiplap walls, luxury vinyl plank flooring, and a custom floating platform bed with LED strip lights. The kitchen boasts birch cabinets with flat panel soft close doors and quartz countertops. This cabin is built to RVIA standards, which means it can be placed in locations where traditional construction might not be permitted, opening up possibilities for waterfront or remote locations that would otherwise be off-limits. Number 6. Cascade. The Cascade is a modern 2-bedroom park model that offers exceptional value. With 400 square feet of living space, 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and a loft, it comfortably accommodates families without breaking the bank. What makes the Cascade special is its thoughtful layout. Unlike many small homes that feel cramped, the Cascade positions the bedrooms at opposite ends of the home, creating privacy and reducing noise transfer, a feature typically found only in much larger homes. The exterior features matte black corrugated metal siding and roofing, creating a bold, contemporary look. Inside, the walls and ceiling are finished in 1/2-inch C2 birch plywood, primed and painted to create a bright, modern aesthetic. What makes this special is that it's designed with a 70-pound snow load roof system, making it suitable for mountain locations with heavy winter snowfall, a capability many affordable prefabs simply don't offer. Number 7. Sonoma. The Sonoma is another model that delivers exceptional design and features at a surprisingly accessible price point. This 396 square foot home offers 1 bedroom and 1 bathroom in a layout that maximizes both space and views. What makes the Sonoma special is its wall of windows along the front of the home, creating an unobstructed connection to the outdoors. The exterior combines LP Expert pre-finished lap siding with vertical Lunawood accents for a distinctive upscale appearance. Inside, you'll find luxury vinyl plank flooring, C2 birch plywood walls, and a kitchenette with custom walnut veneer, flat panel cabinets, and quartz countertops. The bedroom features a large window and ample closet space. What makes this different is it comes with Yale Assure Lock 2 touchscreen Wi-Fi entry lock standard, allowing you to control access remotely, perfect for vacation rentals or ensuring family members never get locked out. Number 8. Rockwood. The Rockwood is a stylish and practical prefab home that won't break the bank. This 400 square foot model offers 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and a built-in 6-foot deck that comes standard with the home. What makes the Rockwood special is its integrated roof overhang with exposed cedar beams and black metal railing, creating a seamless indoor-outdoor living space. The exterior features black textured heritage panel metal roofing and select tight knot cedar siding. Inside, the Rockwood boasts luxury vinyl plank flooring, birch plywood walls, and pine tongue and groove ceiling boards. The kitchen features birch cabinets with flat panel doors and quartz countertops. This Prefab home is available with an alternate window package that places large windows on both sides of the living and dining space, allowing you to capture views in multiple directions, a feature typically found only in custom-built homes. Number 9. Nook Family. The Nook Family is a compact yet surprisingly spacious prefab home that offers tremendous value. This 255 square foot model offers 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and clever design features that maximize every inch. What makes the Nook Family special is its stacked sleeping arrangement. The home features a built-in king bed platform at ground level and a loft with space for a queen bed, allowing it to comfortably sleep 4 people despite its modest footprint. The exterior features black textured heritage panel metal roofing and vertical siding available in dark or natural wood finishes. Inside, the walls and ceiling are finished in 3/4-inch pine tongue and groove boards with a clear coat sealer. But here's what most people don't know about the Nook Family. It's available in 2 versions, base and peak. The peak version includes LED light strips throughout, a Febo panel mat black shower wall surround, glass shower door, and keypad exterior lock. Luxury touches you wouldn't expect in a home at this price point. Number 10. A-Frame Modular Peak. Our final cabin is the A-Frame Modular Peak, a stunning architectural statement. This 1,880 square foot home offers 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a loft in a dramatic A-frame design that makes a bold architectural statement. What makes the A-frame modular peak special is its hinged main A-frame roof sections that flip on site, ensuring a safe and efficient installation while creating the distinctive 1512 roof pitch that defines this iconic style. The exterior features textured black metal roofing and Nordic spruce Lunawood vertical shiplap siding with hidden nails. Inside, you'll find 1x8 painted nickel gap wall coverings, drywalled ceilings, and luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout. Despite its size, it arrives in just 3 modules for a fast and simple setup, dramatically reducing on-site construction time and associated costs. Number 11. The Grove. The Grove is a stunning modern ADU with an open concept floor plan that will surprise you with its affordability. This elegant 795 square foot home offers 1 or 2 bedroom options and 1 bathroom in a thoughtfully designed layout. What makes the Grove special is its dramatic cathedral ceiling in both the kitchen and living room areas, creating a sense of grandeur you wouldn't expect at this price point. The exterior features a textured black metal roof with wood or LP SmartSide lap siding, giving it a sophisticated modern appearance. Inside, you'll find nickel gap wall coverings and drywall ceilings that create an airy, open feeling. The kitchen features shaker-style painted cabinets with your choice of laminate or quartz countertops, perfect for both everyday living and entertaining guests. What makes this cabin even more stunning is it includes 3 inviting porches, providing multiple outdoor living spaces that seamlessly connect with the interior. One upgraded feature that's particularly impressive is the pergola-covered porch available in several floor plans, ideal for relaxing in the shade or hosting family and friends. Now that we've explored these 11 affordable prefab cabins, you might be wondering which one is right for you. The answer depends on several factors. First, consider your location. If you're building in an area with heavy snowfall, models like the Cascade or A-Frame Modular Peak with their higher snow load ratings might be essential. Second, think about your intended use. Will this be a full-time residence, a vacation home, or a rental property? Models like the A-Frame Studio or Luna are specifically designed to excel as short-term rentals. Third, consider your space needs. A couple might be perfectly comfortable in the compact Nook Family, while those needing more space might prefer the Tarn or Walden Stack. Finally, don't forget to factor in local building codes and regulations. Models with RVIA certification like the Luna offer more flexibility in certain locations. Before you rush out to order one of these affordable prefabs, there are some hidden costs you should be aware of. Land acquisition is often the largest expense in any cabin project. While these structures are affordable, you'll still need somewhere to put them. Site preparation, including foundation work, utility connections, and access roads, can add significantly to your budget. Delivery costs vary based on distance. While most manufacturers include delivery within a certain radius, remote locations may incur additional fees. Permits and inspections are required in most jurisdictions and can add both time and expense to your project. Furnishings and appliances may not be included in the base price, so be sure to clarify what comes standard and what costs extra. The bottom line is that prefab cabins offer an incredible opportunity to own a stylish, modern home at a fraction of the cost of traditional construction. With prices starting under $50,000, these homes put the dream of cabin ownership within reach for many Americans who thought it might never be possible. What makes these prefabs truly remarkable isn't just their affordability, it's the combination of thoughtful design, quality materials, and innovative construction techniques that allow them to deliver so much value at such accessible price points. Whether you're looking for a weekend retreat, a full-time residence, or an investment property, there's an affordable prefab cabin on this list that could be perfect for you. I hope this tour of affordable prefab cabins has opened your eyes to the possibilities of modern, efficient living without breaking the bank. If you're serious about exploring these options, further, I've created a free downloadable guide with detailed specifications, floor plans, and manufacturer contact information for each of these models. The link is in the description below. But before you go, I'm curious, which of these cabins caught your eye? Let me know in the comments which model you'd choose and why. And if you've had experience with prefab housing, share your insights to help others on their journey. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on affordable housing alternatives. Thanks for watching, and remember, stylish, sustainable living doesn't have to come with a luxury price tag. I'll see you in the next video.